3 years ago, we asked this question. What would happen if a 26-year-old billion-dollar company committed its resources to innovation in the anti-aging market, studied the science of anti-aging with researchers at major universities, and then added an exclusive partnership with genetic experts LifeGen Technologies? These are the people who appeared on 60 Minutes when the topic was a genetic approach to healthy living. They've also been interviewed by Time Magazine, CNN, U.S. News and World Report, and the Discovery Channel. These are the experts. Now, 3 years later, we have the answer. When you put all this together, you get an exciting breakthrough technology that's now a multi-billion-dollar brand called ageLOC. And Nu Skin Enterprises is the company that's taking the science of anti-aging to a completely new level. Developed by Nu Skin in collaboration with these leading scientists, ageLOC science is based on the discovery of internal sources of aging that contribute to your outward appearance, your energy level, and other elements of health. Now, here's an important question. In this economy, is there a market for a superclass of anti-aging products? Get this. Nu Skin's annual sales were up more than $430 million last year alone, and more than 63% since introducing ageLOC. It all adds up to one thing: opportunity. And your timing couldn't be better because of one additional factor: the economy. The tremendous growth of Nu Skin has been in some ways because of this challenging economy. That's because hardworking people with excellent skills and talents have been discovering the Nu Skin business opportunity, and that has really contributed to Nu Skin's impressive sales growth. Let's break this down and look at the pieces. First, the market. It's simply everyone who wants to look and feel younger, or wants to maintain a youthful appearance. And that starts with the baby boomers. What's common among them? They don't want to age or look old. But it's not just the baby boomers, it's people in their 20s and 30s, right up to those in their 70s and 80s. Who do you know who doesn't want to look and feel younger? Next, the products. Let's look at just a couple of the products. We can start with the unique ageLOC Pearls. Nu Skin took its most popular skincare product, Tru Face Essence Ultra, and added ageLOC ingredients. It already contained an ingredient called ethicin, clinically proven to improve the key component of firm skin. Now with ageLOC ingredients, it's an extraordinary skin-firming serum with tremendous customer loyalty. ageLOC results are visible and obvious with the skincare line, but ageLOC isn't limited to skincare. ageLOC has also been effective with nutrition as well. The first was a record product launch, and it's called ageLOC Vitality. This is a blend of 3 natural ingredients in a proprietary formula that provides youthful energy without a spike or crash. This is leading-edge science creating a demonstrable difference. Nu Skin offers dozens of consumable products in skincare, personal care, and nutrition. But it isn't just the products that determine long-term success. Your partner behind the products is a critical component. So let's take a closer look at the company. In 2012, Nu Skin's sales soared to $2.17 billion, another record year. A new $100 million anti-aging innovation center at the headquarters will open later this year in the United States, along with a new $50 million facility in Asia. Forbes.com listed Nu Skin in their top 100 most trustworthy companies. And remember that genetic expert company, LifeGen Technologies? Well, Nu Skin bought them along with their patents. So now there's a plan in place to roll out ageLOC products for the rest of this decade. And there's more. With the opening of Vietnam last year, Nu Skin now operates in 53 countries around the world, and with more than 80% of that business done outside of North America, the United States and Canadian markets are absolutely positioned for extraordinary growth. This has the feel and excitement of a startup opportunity, but it's built on the security of a company with years of experience, with award-winning management, and with nearly $800 million of assets. A Fox Business journalist, Liz Clayman, asked Nu Skin CEO Truman Hunt to explain why Nu Skin stock had jumped in this economy. His answer? Innovate, innovate, innovate. With great products and a solid company, there's one final piece. Nu Skin is committed to take this exclusive ageLOC technology and these unique products to market through a network of independent Nu Skin distributors. And last year, they paid out more than $970 million in commissions around the world. That's why we say at Nu Skin The economy is booming. The only question now is that as the company continues to grow, how much of the new growth do you want to claim for yourself and your family? There's a system of support and training in place designed and developed by a team of professionals, women and men committed to your success. And let's be clear, women and men and couples are becoming Nu Skin distributors every day. But why take action right now? Let's look at what's next for this ageLOC technology. A tremendous problem exists in North America today, with almost 70% of the population overweight and 30% of the population obese. The impact on health, and for that matter, the healthcare system, is almost overwhelming. The exclusive ageLOC technology puts Nu Skin in the lead when it comes to the genetic approach to this problem. Later this year, Nu Skin will introduce ageLOC TR90, an exciting new approach to weight management. Nu Skin has positioned itself perfectly with innovate, innovate, innovate. Join us today. We'll show you how you can earn as you learn. So get back to the person who invited you to review this. They'll be able to answer your questions and show you how you can get started right away. Welcome to Nu Skin.